So now this is coming up. It's innovation, so it's still at the state of research and development. So in a short future, how do you see these technologies coming up to a larger public?
Michel Marty already mentioned the liposome. And we have already several drugs, primarily anthracyclines in the oncology field, but also some antibiotics or antifungic agents which are delivered through liposome technology. You still have also an example of albumin nanoparticle being able to carry a cytotoxic drug to the tumor, and this link of an active agent to the nanoparticles, to the albumin nanoparticles, is able to change the efficacy and the safety profile of the product. And I think the next step will be to use the nanoparticles as nanoparticle and as active agents. And this can be done through inert component which can be activated within the body when they will have reached the target.
Okay, and what about industrialization now in the large amount of this kind of technology? How would the pharmaceutical industry would be ready to do that? Would it need big investments and a lot of resource to industrialize?
Really, I don't think it will need huge investment. It will need normal investment for developing a new drug. Because in fact, if you consider the nanoparticle and the manufacturing of nanoparticles themselves, it's not very far from manufacturing product from chemistry. So, in fact, the knowledge, the know-how is already there. And it will not be a very big change for pharmaceutical company to produce nanoparticles. I think it can be much more difficult for a pharmaceutical company producing only chemical drug to move to recombinant product or to move to the production of monoclonal antibodies than to move to the production of nanoparticles. What is different is the discovery process, which is very specific. And this is obviously the asset of the small companies specialized in nanomedicine. It's the reason why the partnership between these companies and pharmaceutical companies is needed as soon as possible in order for pharmaceutical companies to understand the process, not the manufacturing process, but the discovery process and the huge possibilities linked with the development of nanoparticles.
When do you see that coming? How many years?
I will more say how many months.
It's a matter of months.
It's here.
It's already here.
It's here.
Okay.
It's here, and if I'm not wrong, I think that trials in patients will start before the end of the year in France, in one of the largest cancer institute in the Paris area. So it's here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.